Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and another new AI tool and image editing tool review and a step-by-step tutorial. So today the tool we are going to use is Wepik, and let me tell you that it is one of the most powerful free video editing tool, video editing, I wouldn't say image editing tool, which I've seen, with tons and tons of options and a host of features. And the good part, as I say, is that it is free. There are lots of things you can do with it. So before I can proceed with the video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you join the Telegram group, because that's the place where you're going to get most of these updates. On this note, let's move ahead and understand what all we can do with VPick. Now, as you can see, I have been scrolling through the home page, and you can see you can design a host of thing over here. Uh, Unfortunately, in the trending searches, the first one is a funeral invitation. Then you have calendars, Twitter headers, Facebook posts, letterheads, infographics, certificates, schedules, gift tags, photo collages, Instagram posts. I wouldn't bore you reading everything. So what you need to do first is just go and get. So once you've created your account, you can go to the design option. You have many places from where you can go and pick up. Over here you can come and pick up over here, like the presentations, wallpapers, book covers, planners, anything you want. We'll try to go through the using the menu, and let's click on design logos, for example. The moment you click on this, so you can see you'll be brought out a lot of logos can be seen in front of your screen. Now let's pick up some random one and try to go and customize it. So you can pick any one over here. I'll just go and select this one, just random one. So this image editing tool which is there is common for all. So any template you choose, you can choose your size over here. Now this is a logo, so we are not going to tamper with the size. Otherwise you have an option to choose the presets as a size A4, A5, your business card, desktop wallpaper, Facebook cover, Facebook square post, Instagram stories, Twitter stories, YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail. So whatever you be your application, make sure you choose your size first. I'm going to leave it as it is. Now coming to the template over here. So once you are here, the most beautiful part about this is if you want to change the color scheme, you don't need to be to this thing. In one click you can literally play around with the colors. I think I should choose a most more colorful option to show you it, which wouldn't reflect here, wherein we have multiple colors out there. With logos it's a bit difficult, but let us try out and check this. Okay, so let's see, this is having multiple colors over here, red, blue. Let's choose this one. So let me say I want to play around with the colors over here. So once I click over here, you can see this has 4 colors in it. Now I can just go, you didn't need to select it manually and place it over there. You just move hover around, and you can see you can play around with the colors as you want. Like this was red, so I leave it red. Let's say I want it green, so I move it over down over here, and green, there you go. Now I can play with the colors over here. I like this green. Okay, and I want to play with this blues, so I'm going to click here blue and change it to green. Okay, so or you have a dropper over here, you can just come in. I think sorry, it's a AI writer over here. So further there, so the most beautiful part is over here, the colors. You can literally play around with the colors, enjoy fidgeting around, and this is applicable for all the templates. So it's really beautiful. You can just go and use your theme color, or if you are particular about any other this thing, let's say a purple and this mix. So you see how you can literally uh, change the colors and play around with it. Then when you go ahead, I think you have further options. If you want to flip here your image, you can see I'm flipping the balloon over here. Then the color schemes we have seen. Then you have the options to alter their sizes and all. So text content, if you want to add any text, as I told you, this particular the image editing option will be used across. So you can use a heading, subheading, anything. If you want to add effects over here, you can just add some effects. If you want to, here there are curved effect for your text. Then here are various options like we have been playing around with. Supposing if selected this, you have these options also. Again, I can go ahead and change the colors to the ones which you like. So you see here, you can literally enjoy. I love this particular thing. And then the elements, if you need to add any elements, like you want to add some icon over here, Labor Day, just select it, add it, resize it. And again over here, you can use it. I think it's added twice. I'll remove one. So again, you can use the tool to match the color theme over here. Color is black, and here it is. So you can again this add some shapes, arrows, stickers, etc. Then if you want to, I think with the okay, then photos. Here are certain photos you can just add to it, like Labor Day. I want to add this photograph, and let's say I want to put it as a background. Backward, goes backward over here, but I want to use this as a background. Set as a background. You see here, this goes as a background. I don't want this. I remove this. I remove this, and step by step in removing everything. Control set. Sorry. So then the videos, I'm going to take you once again over here. If you need to add some related videos, you can upload your own content over here. Like I tried to upload. Let's start afresh over here. So let's say I don't want this. This is a sample image I had uploaded over here. I'll increase this size. This was a AI generated image also. So this is the sample image. Now what I want to do is I want to remove the background. There you go, our background is removed. So in a jiffy we have removed the background. Now I'm replacing it back with let's say this, sorry, uh, masking. This is also a beautiful feature. Like I want to mask this image as a circle, in a star, in a various free geometric forms. You can mask the image whatever you want for your post. I have whatever it is, whatever. So I'll remove the masking over here. Then there are more options over here. You can set this as a background. Okay, the entire image is set as a background over here. And then you can change, play around over here. Also the presets, whatever it is. The preset was this. I'll remove the background again. Close the presets. Then you can, let's resize this first. Can with some other image, I would say. The moving around left, right, center options over here. Then the sizes, the transparency over here, you can change it around. Okay, so So this is the features what are there in the image editing tool, and once you're done with, you can straight away go and share it across if you want with someone, or go ahead and download it. Now let's try out some other thing over here, business cards. So you can see a host of options over here. Again, the moment you select it and click edit, it's going to load you the same particular this thing template, and once you select, it's going to show you related ones over here. Again, you can go here and play around with the colors. As I had mentioned, anything what you want can be done. Rest all the features you're going to get for each and everything. So do remember to change the size whenever you're selecting whatever you're creating, business card, logos, letterheads. Then you have your ID cards, stickers. Yeah, like supposing you want some stickers, you want some posters to be done, for which you want customized this thing. You just go and edit it out. T-shirts, supposing you're making. Here you can just select anyone, like let's say class of 2023. Supposing you're having a get together, and you can see over here, like here, replace this. Yes, I want this particular one. So just replace this with any image what you want. I think uploads. I'll select this and delete this. Have this at the center. Increase it. Okay, and fine. Uh, have some masking to it. The options. I don't want this. I can replace this whole thing as a background, but I don't want to do it. Crop masking. Okay, so I wanted to mask it in a circle, this face here, and remove the background. So there you go. So you can literally edit anything what you want over here. Then marketing and team events, like brochures, presentation, price list, supposing your menus for any, if you're having any hotel or anything out there, you can create wonderful and beautiful menus like this. Price list if you want. Okay, now if you're into this thing, like here, price list, gift certificates, for examples. Here these are gift certificate, and banners and headers, social media tools, YouTube thumbnails. Again, you can create customized YouTube thumbnails over here the way you like. Go ahead, watch out, LinkedIn, Facebook. So as far as the image editing options are there are tons and tons and features, and it's truly really really beautiful. And the good part is it is free. And next we'll move on to the AI part of it. So here, when you go, you have the AI image generator. So here you have limitation of credits, obviously, because here, try it out. So describe what you want to see. So let us try out some image over here. Image of car. Let's install image. We know we are typing image. S car with open top. Yeah, I do like open top. Cars, soft tops, open top, red and silver color. Adjacent to a beautiful, what's say, lake with lush green park next to it. Let's say now the styling out over here, you can select what you want: a photo, a digital art, a painting, 3D style, comic, vintage, cartoon kind. I will select a photo and say generate. And here the aspect ratio, whatever you want: square, portrait, landscape, etc. And it shows you the credits left. So this is one another one which I generated over here. So beautiful Indian girl in her sorry, in her 20s, British complexion, traditional outfit. You can see image generated over here. Now this is my car. Obviously, in the initial prompt, it didn't take the lush green outfit and all. You can see the sorry, a car it opened to red, and it generated that. The rest of the prompt for XY reasons got lost. You can go ahead and download. Obviously, this you can see it'll be still in the testing page, but even they have a good presentation. I think was pretty much impressed with the presentation. AI generated again. So in the features, you have a AI presentation maker. So get started. So you just need to select the kind of thing you want presentation. Example, best practices of work presentation. Okay, best car dealership. Okay, writing tone, I want it to be fun. Language, I want it to be English. And what kind of an output I want it. I don't want it minimalistic. I want it to look professional. I will say generator presentation. So you can see in a few minutes it's going to generate a presentation for me, and then you can go ahead and edit it and give it the finishing touches and use it the way you want. So let's give it some time, and in the meanwhile we'll explore some other menus over here. Let's go to the home page while it's loading. So if you want a brand branding, you can just select over here, give your theme colors, your this thing. I was just trying and fidgeting out like your logos and colors and all, and then go ahead and create it. Okay, here it is. So the first slide, the second slide, the third slide, fourth slide, fifth slide. There are 9 pages you can see over here. The sixth slide, seventh slide, eighth slide. Now for each one of you, you can go ahead and sort of edit it. You can edit your content, you can edit your images. And as I told you, this image editing tool is really, really powerful one. And you can do and work wonders with it. And if you like that particular thing, you can straight away go and download it. And coming back to the home page over here. So under features, you have photo editor. Yeah, the mobile app also they have. I have generated the mobile app also. I mean, downloaded it because I pretty much like this tool. I'm not much into image editing, but I like the features what it's offering, and I'm definitely going to make use of it. So do let me know, friends, how you like this particular tutorial and review of Wepik, and would you like to use it, and if yes, what is the best feature according to you is over there. So do like this video, do share this video across, and if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would request you to kindly do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.